Okay guys, this is Jerome Keys Music. I welcome you all to my channel. Okay, so if you are just joining for the first time, please make sure you subscribe, like and share, and also go through my videos. I have so many tutorials for you guys. So today I'll be doing 1545 praise. Someone commented it on my previous video and said I should do it, so that's why I'm doing this tutorial today. Like I always say, whenever you see a video, please comment, share and like. Okay, whenever you see my video, comment, share and like, and you can comment the song you want me to do or any tutorial you want me to do. I'll try and do it. You can see someone just commented and asked me to do this. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, so watch and learn. This is what you're going to learn at the end of this video. Okay, so the breakdown goes like this. Like I said, it's 1 5 4 5. Okay, 1 5 4 5. Okay, so it goes this way. Like I'm playing on F sharp. I'm playing on F sharp, but like I always do on my video, I do call out all the notes so that for those that are not playing on F sharp, you can be able to apply it to your own key. Okay, so it goes, the lead line goes do mi so do. Okay, do mi so do ti re so ti do fa la do ti re so ti. Okay, the full chord I'm using on the one is mi so do, so you just put your hand on the full chord this way, mi so do. Then on your 5 you go re so ti, mi so do re so ti. Okay, mi so do re so ti. Then on your 4 fa la do, then you go back to your re so ti. Okay, do mi so do ti re so ti do fa la do ti re so ti. Okay, that's just it. Do mi so do ti re so ti do. Do mi so do ti re so ti do fa la do ti. Okay, after you go to your do mi so do ti re so ti do fa la do ti re so ti do mi so do ti. Then you go to your so do mi, another inversion of your 1. That mi so do mi re ti so do la fa re ti so. Mi so do mi re ti so do la fa re ti so. Okay, mi so do mi re ti so do la fa re ti so. Mi so do mi re ti so do la fa re ti so. Then you can come back to what you're playing here before you go to your octave. This one is do mi so do ti re so ti do re la do la fa re ti so re. Okay, do mi so do ti re so ti do la fa re ti so re. Hope you are watching it very well. Let's go. After the first one, So what I'm playing is very simple. You just have to get the progression. So once you get the progression, you owe your inversion of this do, which is your 1, inversion of this 5, okay, and the inversion of this 4, and the inversion of this 5. This is another inversion of 5. This is another inversion of your 1, okay. So mi so do mi re ti so do la fa re ti so, then do mi so do ti re so ti. What you were playing here, you go to your octave now. Do mi so do ti re so ti do la fa re ti so re, okay. Do mi so do ti re so ti do la fa re ti so re. Then so mi. This one is octave now. Hope you're understanding what I'm playing. It's just very simple. Just have to follow what I'm playing. You get it very well, okay? Okay, so the bass line goes this way. So when I was playing this, I was playing on my left this way. So I just decided to use this bass line so it can be able to, you can be able to apply it very easily. So the secret of this playing on how you can split is, since you're on your do, just arrange your hand this way. Anything you are playing here will enter, okay? Anything you are doing here will enter. And once you go to your 5, which is your saw, anything you are doing this way will enter. And once you are on your 4, anything you are doing this way will enter, okay? So let me just color the notes. Do do so do 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 so do 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 so do do so do do so do do so re so re so do fa la fa so re so do so do so do, okay. So do so do do so do so do so re so do fa la fa so re so so do so do so re so do fa la fa so re so. Okay, it's just very simple. Anything you're doing here will surely enter. Just so you can just play anything you want to play. Just make sure you remain on the progression, okay? So you watch what I did on this bass here. I went to re. I went to my re. When I was playing my 5 here, I went to my re. So you can use it that way also, okay? Okay, you can play it that way. It's very nice. Okay, that's your relare. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you share, comment, like, and make sure you subscribe. Okay, so we'll be doing our weekly tutorial every Friday and Sunday. So Friday by 4 p.m. Nigerian time. Okay, 4 p.m. Nigerian time. You can check the time on your own side so you can be able to join in once I post the video. Okay, thanks and God bless you.